Hi, so here is how I made my parfait, my healthy affordable parfait. So this is my grated coconut, my fresh coconut. I grated like a piece of it, which will give me about 1/3 quarter. Then here is my oats. This is half cup of oats. All right, so I'll be frying it. Watch out, this is just half cup. And here is my fresh coconut milk I made and then put it in the freezer to flake. And then I have one third of a cup, which I will be using to blend a whole avocado, one whole avocado, which will be my base for the parfait. I like to have avocado in it, like to have varieties of fruits. And here I'm blending it smooth so that it will be very smooth like ice cream, and then add good flavor to my parfait. So here it's 1/3 of the coconut milk and a whole avocado. All right, so it has its calories sitting down. Here is a smoothie made out of it. And then I have my fried coconut. The coconut I grated, I fried it dry in a frying pan to get this. I didn't add anything. And here is my fried oats, fried dry as well. Here is my chopped apple, fresh apple. Here is my peanuts, which I'll be adding to. Here is my almond, so much flavor. And then here we're going to be mixing it in 80-ounce cup. This is a normal cup, so here I'm going to add my avocado as a base under like 3 spoons. Then I'll be putting the oats, I'll be putting the coconut chips. Here I put in the oats to seal up the avocado, then putting on the apple. Everything is in layers. Here is my coconut milk, using it to seal the nuts and the apple. And then here I'm putting in the oats again to seal the milk. Here I'm putting the avocado smoothie to create a beautiful layer. And here is the coconut chips here again. Then I'm going to be adding my peanuts, very sweet one. Then apple again. Then here again I add the milk, the coconut milk, to seal up the things I've added. And then here is the oats, the last of it. Then the almond nuts are in now. Then here we added the apple, adding the peanut again. Then the avocado seals down everything. Oh, this is a cup of goodness. Then I'm going to be adding the last set of milk, the last portion, and then we'll put in the coconut chips, the last one again, then the almond nuts again, and then the last portion of the apple is cut into pieces. So here is it. I'm going to put it, after this I'm going to put it in the freezer for an hour. After 1 hour, here is what you will see. This is after 1 hour sitting in the freezer. Wow, this is a whole goodness. And meanwhile, this is not a snack, it's a meal. It has about 857 calories. Be mindful.